This one's in rough shape. You don't have to remove the belly pan. You can just let it drip onto the pan, that's fine. Whatever's easier for you. Obviously, if the engine cover is in the way, you remove those bolts or those nuts, lift the cover off. You have your drip tray ready, and just disconnect one of the oil cooler hoses. Open the reservoir so it drains better. Remove the hose from the thermostat flange. And there'll be some coolant in this hose, so just be aware of that when you take it off. It'll drip on the alternator. Just wash it off later with water. You can carefully let it run out against the block. Two 10mm bolts. You'll see better on your car. Quarter-inch universal socket is good, makes it easier for the bottom one. You can also use a straight extension, or sorry, a normal socket with a straight extension, a shorter one. Second bolt is up here, just underneath the injection pump. The flange will probably break, but the retaining tabs for the thermostat are going to break when you take the flange off. The retaining tab here and here, and then you just pry the thermostat out. There's an O-ring here. Grab the O-ring first with a pick tool. Hook the pick into the thermostat, and out she comes. Clean the mounting area. Installation is in reversible removal. And bleed the system, and then verify fan operation and obviously thermostat opening. I'm not sure if I'm going to record all of that. It's the old flange. That's the new one. You can see the tabs are still in order. No sealant is required, just a little bit of coolant on the O-ring according to the dealer. My personal preference is to use a little bit of sealant. Place the thermostat and you twist it, and that holds it in place.